Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell the XRP on the Binance app. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Binance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find currencies right here. Now to sell the XRP, you can simply tap onto XRP right here, and if you can't find it here, you can simply tap onto the search bar and search for it. Now after finding it, simply tap on it. Now here you can see all the detailed information about the XRP right here. And now to sell it, you can simply tap onto sell button right here. Now after doing the analysis, you can simply sell the XRP. And that's it. This is how you can sell the XRP on the Binance app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.